This is a butane cylinder that I've emptied of butane and filled it with water and drained 3 times now to get rid of all the goo. And I've punched a ring of holes around here to drill a bunch of holes, and then I should be able to punch that valve thingamabob through. And then I'm going to build a thing that lets me turn it. And I'm going to chuck in all of my all of my chainmail rings and put in some sand and rocks and stuff, and then tumble it and see how that goes for removing the burr off the end of the rings. Drilled a load of holes around there, and then I'll probably just grab the welder and blast through. Ta-da! Ring polishing machine. This here is a Variac, lets me control AC power. This is a butane tank that I've emptied out, cut a hole in the top, welded a nuts and bolts in the bottom, and then put it in this drill. Trigger's locked on. A couple of bearings in some bearing holders down there. And a big belly full of chainmail rings with some dirt and rocks and such in there. And I'll close that up, hit the power. It's doing a thing. So I'll let that run for a while and see if that is good at clearing all the burrs off. So I improved on the drill situation. I reused that from a previous project. It's just a little geared DC motor, and I run it off my benchtop power supply. The drill was going well, except there's a very fine line between going the correct turning speed and flailing about like a madman. The difference between those 2 settings was like that. So I've gone to this, which I can control much more carefully, and so I filed a hex on the end of the threaded rod that goes in there. I put a lock nut up against there so they clamp together, and Bob's your uncle.